Hello, good evening. So, ito yung isang halimbawa ng video na unable to be monetized. So, hindi na siya kulay green, kundi kulay pula. So, i-click natin tong view all issues. And then, ayan na yung reason. Your video is unable to be monetized. This video is not monetizable because it uses music from a music rights owner who decided not to allow. So, ang gagawin ko lang dito guys, I need to delete the video. Ayan. So, kailangan ko siya i-delete. Since unable to monetize yung video ko, so kailangan ko siya i-delete to solve the problem. So, kailangan ko lang i-click tong tatlong dots dito. Tapos, ayan, delete post. So, post will be permanently deleted. Ayan, delete. Ayan na, your post has been deleted. So, kailangan ko lang siya i-refresh.